It is amazing. Writing the story was a turning point for me because it was the basis of my master's thesis. Throughout this journey, I used to walk around with little pieces of paper of the conversations that my daughter Sequoia and I would have.
Does he know where the rain comes from? Mom said softly, "Your dad is a smart man."
She's dynamic in her own right, and I'm looking forward to hearing from her and having this discussion. Please put your hands and your hearts together for TracyLGray.
Sequoia read excitedly and said, "Hi, Grandpa. What are you doing?" Grandpa smiled and said, "Hello, little girl."
And thank you for choosing to be amongst us tonight for this incredible book signing and discussion. Mommy, where is my daddy?
When I was looking for a subject matter to study my master's, my advisor, Stan Chu from Bank Street, said, "Why don't you make this your focus, your children's book?"